Hello everyone, today I will show you how to reset OBS Studio settings to default on Windows. And here's how it is done. First, click on File at the top, then select Show Settings folder. This will open your user-specific settings for OBS Studio, including profile settings, scene layout, audio and video settings, recording preferences, hotkeys, and more. Next, close OBS Studio. Afterward, delete the contents of this folder by selecting everything. Press Shift and select all. Then hit the delete key on your keyboard and confirm by clicking yes. Leave any remaining content untouched, then reopen OBS Studio. The auto configuration wizard may appear. Just click next and adjust the settings as you prefer. This will restore OBS Studio to its default settings. And that's everything you need to know about how to reset OBS Studio settings to default on Windows. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.